Okay, I'm going to show you how to complete two types of color by number. Okay, so I'm just going to fill out the beginning here, and all right, here we go. So let's go next. All right, so here is a question. It says how many. Now, normally you're going to have a question. I just have this programmed um, to some random answers. All right, so awesome, I got it right. Do you see how the ones got colored in? Now I'm ready to color in the twos. If I type the answer incorrectly, all right, it is not going to let me continue. So if I type this, it's going to say that's not right, try again. All right, and that's not right, try again. So for this one, my standard response is the question mark. And I'm going to continue through again. Each one, more and more of the picture gets colored each time, okay? And you continue through answering the questions, more and more of the picture gets colored. Again, if you answer a question wrong, it's not going to let you continue. All right, and at the end, here we go, we finished. That's the completed picture. All right, it's just asking for a suggestion and then you're done. So that's how you do it when you are required to fill in the blank. But that's not the only type you could see. So I'm going to pause for a minute and show you the other type. All right, here we go. This is the other type. So again, I am going to just fill out this initial information here. Okay, so now I have to choose an answer. Okay, so I have a standard answer that's chosen. All right, so awesome. It showed me perfect. I picked it correct. I'm going to go on to the next one. If I choose it wrong, you got it wrong. I got to try again. Okay, so it's going to show me what I chose last. Oh, gosh, I got it wrong again. All right, so, and it's going to, again, show me what I chose the last time. All right, so yes, finally, I got it right. And I'm going to keep continuing. All right, so this one I just have the rest set to automatically just pick this one. When you are given this in class, obviously it will not look like this. Yours will have actual questions. And again, one more time, if you choose the wrong answer, it's going to say, oops, you got it wrong, you got to try again. And then it will show you what you chose the last time. If you have to try a question multiple times, it will not show you what you picked each time. It will only show you what you picked the very last time. Okay, and there we go. That's the end, finished. Okay, almost. Oh, I thought I was finished. And now here we are, all finished. And then it's going to ask you for a suggestion of a question, and then you hit submit. So that's it. That's how you complete the coloring assignment.